Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we will try to learn about Delta PLC 14SS2 model. How can make Latch Unlatch program in Delta PLC 14SS2. We will use that software WPLSoft, and this is the software, and this old program we will delete, or we will just use the backup first. We will go to the backup first and click OK. Which program is inside the PLC that will be backed up. What he says, communication port has been used, or this port doesn't access COM9. It's okay. Cancel this one, and first you go back to your my PC, this PC, and just here go to the properties. Not this one, sorry. Make it little bigger, this page. And now you can go to the properties and go device manager and check your COM port, which COM port you are. Yeah, this is the USB serial CH340 COM6. This one is okay. Cancel this all, cancel this also, and go to the options, and here make it the communication setting, and here you change your COM port because of this COM port is using where USB serial COM6, and this is station address, make it 0, and other things I think so don't have to be changed. This is the data length 7, even parity, and stop bits 1, band rate 9600, and click it OK. And now your communication setting is okay. Now again go to the read program from the PLC and click it OK. Yeah, just now communication is completed, and your which program is in your PLC, that will be appear in the desktop. So simply what we will do, first I will check this one, make it online, make sure your PLC is now running. Yeah, this is the run mode, and this is M0. We will make it set on. Yeah, now all your relays are on and off, and now just we will stop the online, and we will delete all this data because of we like to make a new program. This also we will delete, and this also we delete, and this also we will delete, and we will make the new program. And this line how can delete? This is simply here this CD you have to be click which space you click, yani here for example click, and when you click it on the CD, after this line will be deleted. It's very simple. Now your click, and this is M5 also we will delete, and all, and after you make it the compiler, let us see, this is your totally any delete. Now we will start the new program. Today's our lecture is about the latch and latch. How can make the latch and latch program in this Delta PLC? Simply first of all we will go to this normally open contact and click it OK. And here this is the X0 address. We like to be change address if we make the hardware wiring. For example, X0 we will use for push button, so we can use the X0 also. If no like to be use X0, we can use the internal memory, for example M0, and click enter. And next we have to be make one more output where you can take, this is here simple F1, F2, F3, F4. This is all our limit switches. When you pointer set on the point downside, normally open contact A, after this is normally closed contact B. This all you can read, yani. It's very simple and easy. All things will be shown. What is parameters, this is our functions, this is loop controls, transmission comparisons for arithmetic operations. All things will be next by step by step we will discuss all these things. So also you can at the mm, at the keyboard you just any type only O means output, or you can select on from here also you can select. Otherwise here also when you write O, after which relay you like to be set, that one you can be select. For example M5 I will select, so click enter, your M5 will be set on here. Next what you have to be do, you have a simply one more here relay like to be make. For example here this we will like to be match this latch this M5, so we will make it here open contact for LD M5. When you write also you can take this open contact, and when you click enter you will got the M5 open contact. This is 2-3 ways have method. You can select the open contacts and close contacts, and also you can click here and also you can take it. And after you have to be make it link it here to the upside line. So this line when you click, this is FS means vertical line. Vertical line when you select, after this link will be developed. And here you have to be take one NC contact. You like also you can write LD LD and you can take LD M2. For example after you will take this M2, but this is we need this one NC contact. NC contact when you need to be, this is M. Here also you can take the address which number you like to give, M0, M1, M2, which is means this M2 will like to be select. Also you can change it from here M3, M4, M5, M6, which memory bit you like to be take. Here you can write this is start from M0 to M4000 4095 and click it OK. Now this bit is changed. Now it's a close contact and this is open contact. Simply this is your push button on and this is your push button off, and this is simply M5 you like to be make it latch, and this is open contact you can use of the M5 simply this is your relay look like. When you like to be making some contactor or relay you like to make it latch, after you use the open contacts, right, open and close contacts, which is the auxiliary set the contactor. And this is M5 you when use this open contact, when push this M0, after your power will be gone to the M5, and when this M5 will be energized after this open contact power supply, we will take it from here directly, and after M5 will be energized. So now this is our latch and latch program is completed. We will download to the PLC, and first we have to be compile make. Now this is our program is compiled and we have to be write to the PLC. Simply here this arrow you can see, write to the PLC, or also you can press F8, you can download and click it OK. Now your program will be, he says write in forbidden when PLC is running. He say like to be must be close the CPU after you can download the program. So click yes, your program will be downloaded to the PLC. Now it's ready and you can make it online. Here simply click it on the online mode and your PLC will be goes to the run mode. Now we will click the M0 and make it once on, your M5 will be hold. If I will release this button, for example, this is X0 or X2, which button we are using in the hardware, for example, when we click it set off, your M5 will be not stop. Because of this is now latched. When you like to be make it unlatch, you have to be give signal at the M7. When make it set on, after this will be goes to the latch off, and again you have to be make it on. Because of open contact and close contact will be different. This is internal memory we are using. If you like to be use external memory, you can use it here X0, X1 or X2, and here also you can use in hardware X3. This is your start button and this is your stop button, and this is your holding. This is internal memory this you like to be used. And also if you like to hear output for example Y0, Y2, Y3, also you can use here simply. But when you use it here, for example Y0, when you write it the Y0, first you have to be mix stop online, and here you like to be Y0 right, you can write it Y0. Sorry, this is you we have to be first write the O out and also space give and click and enter. Now you see here is change this Y0, and when you change this Y0, after also you have to be open contact use of the Y0. Cancel this one and Y0 right, and your open contact will be changed. So again compile the program, and after download to the PLC, click it OK, and you have to be first stop the PLC, and after your program will be written in the PLC, and again make it online mode, and now you can make the set on M0. Now your Y0 is on. Now at that moment I don't have the camera. If you like to be see in the visible in the camera, you can make practical at the home. After you can easy understand about this program. I hope this program you will be enjoy, and this will be ready for your practice. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.